I would encourage anybody, if you are going out, and if I'm talking too loud, I'm sorry, I'm listening to AC/DC at full throttle on my helmet. I totally thought I had that still. If you're going out, bring double the water you need, double the light. Seriously, it matters. And leave breadcrumbs. Like when we come to intersections out here way in the wild, we leave breadcrumbs. We'll hop off and like tear a plan up and throw it in the intersection in such a way that we'll understand where we are.
Straight.
I say straight?
Yeah.
Whenever you see something like that, you make sure there's not one wire neck high. That's what you do, son. You pick it up, you keep on going. Is that us? That way? See, that's a breadcrumb right there. But you gotta be careful with these breadcrumbs that don't look natural. Like when you're out here riding in these dark canyons, when there's all kinds of trails everywhere, it really does go sideways quick. Never, ever, ever think that there's a journey, even to the store, where you don't need water, don't need a light, because you never know what will happen. I say straight up over that ridge. What do you say? That looks awful familiar right there going left though. We didn't set a breadcrumb right there. That was a big mistake. Most current tracks seem to go that way. But I'm telling you, you just never know. Like you might meet somebody at the store, but it's kind of anxious. So you meet somebody at the store, it's like, hey, let's go up this trail. And then you get to there, and they text you and say, hey man, yeah, I know that's the right trail, but we can't go up there right now because my aunt's niece, I don't know, yeah, you're good. My aunt's niece, my daughter, I think, something like that. But my aunt called me and said, let's go pick up my niece for skill blue. And so you go, oh, we'll go up anyway. He's like, yeah, just go left at the gate. And you get up there, and next thing you know, you went too far in because you were too anxious. You thought you were just going to the store for a Red Bull so that you could do your oil change, but no, you are screwing. And that happens all the time, guys. I'm dead serious, man. I've been doing this a long time. Like 17 years, all different size bikes, all different kind of bikes. 17 years just in picture touring. I've been touring in vehicles before that and riding the whole time. It's just been put two together because the internet didn't know that people did that. And oh boy. You think straight?
Yeah, I remember this.
Okay, cool. I'll follow you. This is the perfect case, man. You've got two really good navigating dudes. And it's dead at night, and all this looks the same at night. You just came through here, but the sun went down, and we realized that there are a lot of tracks that we passed that we couldn't see. There was an intersection, and an intersection before that, and so you didn't even know there was one there. So when you're coming back, all of a sudden you're like, oh my god, there's a bunch more roads than I thought. We're doing good. We're doing right. I'd still say yes. So leave breadcrumbs. Every time there's any sort of discernible little deal, you know, just consider. And if you have any other ideas, man, let me know. Because all we know to do is pull over, grab some foliage. I'd rather not kill a bunch of trees, but I'd also rather kill a bunch of trees than die. Grab some brush, throw it in the... Yeah, that's it, for sure. Hey, Zen, does it look like our fresh tracks coming up right there? I think it does. Yeah. Man, I'm telling you, don't get lost in the desert because it's not like other places where there's moisture. Whoa, you can't even. Little back brake. What do you think? That's the breadcrumbs, right? All right, let's do this. Let's stop. Let's compose ourselves. Take a drink of water. Think about what we're doing. Hike up to that ridge. Look down, see if that's the main valley. I feel like that's it, don't you?
I think so too, but...
Let me get out of your way. Whew. Case in point, we don't know where we're at. Possibly. Look at it like long ways. Busy. I told you. That's why I started laying breadcrumbs, man. You want to walk up there or drive up there? Okay. I'm just going to ease on looking for tracks. We are meandering our way back. And the thing we failed to do was make the best landmarks, even though we were trying to on the way there. So let that be a lesson, you know. If you're going in really deep, you just never freaking know. And we're very experienced orienteers, so we're not like out here dying. But it kind of sucks because dinner's ready back at the camp. So college fathers. Sena was my best friend for a long time. In the divorce, we got separated, and he was still with me the whole time. But I was so sad I didn't know how to be anybody's friend. And now we're out riding, and we're best friends again. And it only took me leading. So guys, lead your kids. Lead them. They're desperate for it, man. I'm telling you, it seemed impossible to me. I was like, I should lead no one. And I just realized I loved him more than I cared how much that thought hurt. You know, like that I couldn't lead. I was just like, I don't care. I'll just try to lead. And that's all it took. That's all it took to get my kids back straight in their hearts. They just need leadership. You know, I was totally convinced that they didn't need me, and that I had failed them, even though they were with me the whole time. We found the road. Look at that. It was only right there.
Up there.
I'll take that one. My bad. Sorry.